From ancient rituals to modern science, humans have always sought meaning through belief. Studies show that our brains are wired to find patterns and create narratives, even in randomness. This innate drive shapes religions, ideologies, and scientific pursuits alike. As the MRI scans reveal that belief activates reward centers, offering emotional comfort. Whether in prayer or data analysis, the need to believe remains universal across cultures and eras, reflecting our shared humanity. The prefrontal cortex and amygdala work in tandem when we process beliefs. Neuroscientists have identified these regions as key to evaluating truth and emotional significance. During moments of faith or conviction, blood flow increases dramatically in these areas. This biological basis explains why challenging deeply held beliefs can trigger stress responses. Understanding this circuitry helps us see belief not as abstract, but as a tangible, neural process shaping our perceptions. Our brains evolved to detect patterns, a survival mechanism that now makes us see faces in clouds or conspiracies in coincidences. Research demonstrates that pattern recognition activates the same neural networks used for problem solving. This predisposition leads us to find meaning where none may exist. From astrology to stock market predictions, we're compelled to connect dots, often sacrificing accuracy for comforting narratives that make sense of chaos. When beliefs are confirmed, our brain rewards us with dopamine. This neurotransmitter creates pleasurable reinforcement, explaining why faith can feel euphoric. Placebo effects demonstrate this powerfully. Even fake treatments trigger real pain relief when believed in. Studies show spiritual experiences activate the same reward pathways as romantic love. This biochemical basis underlies why beliefs persist despite contradictory evidence. Our brains literally become addicted to certainty. Repetitive rituals, from prayer to meditation, calm the brain's default mode network. EEG studies show these practices synchronize brainwaves, reducing anxiety. The basal ganglia, responsible for habit formation, makes rituals feel comforting through neural groove creation. This explains why diverse cultures independently developed similar ceremonial practices. Neuroscientists now use these insights to create therapeutic interventions for mental health. Mimicking ancient wisdom with modern understanding. Mirror neurons explain why beliefs spread virally in groups. When we witness others' convictions, our brains simulate their neural states. Studies of synchronized chanting show brainwave alignment across participants. This neural mimicry creates powerful communal bonds, but also enables mass delusions. Functional MRI scans reveal that shared beliefs activate reward centers more intensely than solitary ones, explaining religion's endurance and modern social media's echo chambers. When facts contradict beliefs, the anterior cingulate cortex signals distress. Rather than abandon cherished views, most brains prefer creative reinterpretation. Neuroscience shows it's energetically cheaper to rationalize than rebuild neural pathways. This explains why changing someone's mind often backfires. The brain perceives it as physical threat. Understanding these mechanisms helps design better communication strategies that minimize defensive reactions while promoting factual understanding. Evolution wired us to assume intentional agents behind random events. Better safe than sorry when predators might lurk. This had hyperactive agency detection bias now attributes natural phenomena to gods, spirits, or conspiracies. Brain scans show the temporal lobe activates when people report supernatural encounters. Anthropologists find this trait universal, suggesting it offered survival advantages. Recognizing this hardwired tendency helps differentiate genuine patterns from perceptual errors. Algorithms now shape beliefs by feeding confirmatory content, exploiting our neural reward systems. Neuroimaging reveals social media validation triggers dopamine spikes, similar to religious experiences. The speed of digital information overwhelms our evolved critical faculties, making viral misinformation neurologically satisfying. Tech companies use these insights to design addictive platforms, while neuroscientists develop tools to help users recognize these manipulations and maintain healthier belief ecosystems. Emerging neurotechnology like transcranial stimulation can artificially induce spiritual experiences. This raises profound questions about belief's nature. If we can chemically invoke faith, what does that mean for truth? Scientists are exploring ethical applications, perhaps enhancing meditation or treating existential distress. As we unlock the brain's belief mechanisms, we gain both power and responsibility to understand our deepest convictions without diminishing their meaning or magic.